Still struggling with drying clothes in your small apartment or laundry space? Looking for a solution that's stylish, strong, and saves space? Then meet the MODERNOIKOS wall-mounted clothes drying rack, a smart and sustainable way to dry your laundry with ease. Sleek, wall-mounted design. This drying rack mounts directly to your wall, saving precious floor space. Use it when needed, fold it away when not. Strong and durable. Made with aluminum and black steel, this rack holds up to 220 pounds. Perfect for heavy laundry or multiple garments at once. Foldable and lightweight. Despite its strength, the rack is lightweight and collapsible. Easy to open, fold, and store without any hassle. Ideal for small spaces. Whether you're in an apartment, dorm, or compact home, this rack is a game changer. Eco-friendly drying solution. Cut down on electricity bills by avoiding machine dryers. This rack is perfect for delicate items that need air drying and helps reduce energy use. Easy to install. Comes with concrete wall-mounting hardware. Once installed, it's ready for daily use. No tools needed each time. So, if you're looking for a space-saving, heavy-duty, and eco-friendly way to dry your clothes, the MODERNOIKOS wall-mounted clothes drying rack is a must-have. Get yours today and transform your laundry routine. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart home product reviews. And feel free to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.